My name is Simon Clark. I'm a partner at Fidelity Growth Partners. We're investors in growth companies around Europe. So we invest in later stage companies. We invest in companies that already have a business, have some customers, they're already growing well. They've figured out their market and they're doing something important. They're solving a real problem. They come to us, or more likely we come to them, because we're out looking for them all the time, when they've reached the phase of having got the business right, have got the market right, and being ready to accelerate, being ready to really grow and really become big. Our job is to help them do that with money, but beyond the money, because the money is only one part of it, although important, beyond the money, helping them go global, helping them recruit the right people because they need to hire as they grow, and helping them with partnerships and all of the bits that have to be around a company to take it from being a 5, 10, 20 million business to being hundreds of millions. They're marginal. Government incentives have been, in the UK in particular, quite helpful at the very early stage. So the seed investment scheme is very good. It certainly helped a lot of startups get off the ground. The R&D tax credits have been useful. I think they could be simplified a bit, but they're not bad. And clearly government support, being able to call on an ambassador to help out in a sale and all that kind of stuff, on the margin can be useful. But in the end, you've got to build your own business. They're getting a lot better. This is a very interesting market right now. The UK is clearly at this point the best place to start a company in Europe. We're seeing people come from all over Europe to the UK to start their businesses. I think that's a fascinating development. The talent pool is patchy. In some areas, very good indeed. In some areas, there are gaps. And part of our job is to help fill those gaps. We're happy to work with friends, and we're happy to work with people who have backed a company in the very early stages. At some point, they might want to sell their shares, and we're happy to consider buying them. But the important point is that companies need different kinds of capital provider as they grow.